Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be shooting a day in my life. So I'll be speaking English. It's quite challenging for me though, because usually I don't speak in English. So today I'll try and make sure that I'll speak as much as in English. So stay tuned guys. Now it's 8:30 and I have to be there at office at 9, so I'll get ready. See you guys after some time. So I just had breakfast. Now I am getting ready for my office. Before that I have to do my skincare, and I applied this toner first and then serum. After serum, this is my moisturizer. I have been using these for like 2 years now, and it's really good. Some people doesn't like the white patches, but I like this white patches because I don't need to apply anything further after sunscreen. So that's why I like this white thing, this that stays after applying the sunscreen. I don't like overdoing it because it looks fake, so what I do is I just fill the gap. That's all. That's it. Now most importantly, apply not this, sorry. Sometime I use this, sometime I use this, and sometime I use this lip balm. Thanks to my friend Pema, she got it for me. After this Korean lipstick or whatever, I just spread it evenly. Nah, that's it. Now I have to wear my chupa. Sorry about the background, please don't mind. And I'll wear my chupa as same as yesterday. Usually this chupa used to be like fitting for me, but then I think I've lost some weight because I'm going controlling on my eating these days, so I think that's why. And very much, since I'm a married woman, so this is the sign of a married woman. It's all on my chupa. If you want to know more about my chupa, then please leave the comment. I'll show you my chupa collection. That's all. Now I'll head to office. Done. Now I am heading to office. Weather is quite clear. As you can see, the sun, the mountains, the trees, and all. It rained in the morning, but then now the weather is fully clear. So this is the environment I live in, and it's very quiet, very peaceful, unlike Marriott. From my home to my office is a walkable distance, so I don't need to worry about getting late or anything. It's quite near. This is my office. Let me show you the scene. This is my quarter and it's my office. It's nearby. Yeah, so only half a minute and I'm in office. So I'll show you guys whatever is happening today. This is my office entrance, and as soon as I reach my office, I have to fill up the attendance. Here's my name, and it's March. Today is 22nd, 9 from 5. Yeah. And this is my hot water. And this is my office. This is my cabin. I use this green tea, chamomile with green tea. Yeah, that's all. Yeah guys, that's how I started. Oh, now I am heading to TTS for some official work. This is the road. Hi guys, welcome again. So I just had my lunch and I forgot to shoot the video. This is my lunch and I keep the video aside here. And now I'm heading to my room. I'll take rest till 2 and then I have have to go to office. Yeah. So, see you then. Yeah, and I reached my room now. Excuse about this. And I don't lock my room. Yeah, that's it. So this is the scenery behind my room. And it's so beautiful. And right now the mountains are not visible. So it seems it might rain, I'm not sure. Now I'll have the banana which I got from during lunch. And usually what I do is I play my YouTube channel so that I get some view. I know it's cheating, but then I have no choice. Yeah, banana. And I like watching my own videos, you know, because it takes me back to the old memories. Yeah. Yeah, now it's 2. I'll show you the watch. It's 2. Now I'll have to go to my office. And I got some churpi. I'll take those to the office. One in my mouth. Let's keep the rest in my pocket. This is the pocket. Now I am heading to my office. Okay guys, now I'm heading out to pick up my son. So usually I take my scooty. I have to walk 3 minutes, but then today I don't feel like taking my scooty because I think I should go by walk. So I'm going to get my son. Yeah. So I'll have to wait here. Here's tea store. Bus is here already. Yeah, here's my son. Just now he's busy digging his nose. Hi, Lata. Lata, Lata, Lata. So first thing what I do is I wash his filthy hand. Sure. After that I'll have to buy snacks for him. Mama halay. Halay. Ah, ma she's attached there. She's attached. Ah, look at this dirt. Yes. Hello, Mayana Lana. What do you mean by Mayana? Huh? Masyada kahit kamjiran. Chilipaji. Chilipaji. Oh my God. seems like he's I'm sending him to the farm. Dirty, very dirty. Yeah. Tanya basta ko de. Yeah. Karsay. Karsay lada. Tak. Ha? Kaçını? O diyor ne kadar? Lo gelse drink. Tangu lo gelse drink lapla. Ah, cuma. Muni gamasta. Mayana tak nye. Tela cuma simba. Now we are heading back to office. And he's enjoying his tak. Da, kaç şey ye? Reba, pego na chu. La, ana chu yin na mai. Yoshida. Come fast. Adwita. He's shy. I left my phone. Not this one, but I have two phones. I left my other phone there in that shop. So I'm going to get my phone now. I already reached halfway and now I have to rush back. Got my phone back. He's even very scared to cross this. Oh my god. Dalpok! Guys, so it's already 5 After this biscuit, he'll have chapati. Teacher, how sad? Phale dang? Okay, now I'll have to make one chapati for Pujum. Now he's asking for remote. I told him to take it by himself, but then he's he said that he's having biscuit, so lazy. So I'll continue with my chapati. That's done. Okay guys, now it's 6 o'clock in the evening and now we are going for a walk. My husband and my son. Yeah. Now we are going for a walk with our slippers on. Nah. Suwaya.
学也对那也记不记让来呗。다 뒤져 가질 갖고 진행하다 캐네 더 가게 더 개발게네 동원의 가질 갖고 작아지는 예시
Hi guys, welcome back. Now we just got back from walk and now I'll make a very simple dinner. I'll make oats with chicken soup and broccoli. Today we are gonna have a very simple and healthy dinner. So my dinner is ready. It looks like milk, but then this is oats and chicken soup. This chicken, broccoli soup. Let it boil for a minute and then our dinner is ready. Dine tenda, dine endres shin ma tenda. Deda. Kan gochu sha. Dine gochu da. Dine gochu da zum do. Ta mama yago shin da. Dine ma ho tengu. Ben dishani yago shin jua. Deda. Dine pa te. Ane ma te. Chida. So this dinner is for Puchung, a very healthy dinner. Oats with chicken soup, chicken and broccoli. Now Puchung will have it. Very healthy dinner. Halil 또 처음인데 신부도 안 봐. We are going to sleep now. I hope you guys enjoy my today's vlog since I've tried something new. So please give a like and subscribe to my channel. Now he's finally diaper free. He doesn't wear diaper anymore. Okay, so Puju also want to say something to you guys.
Bye.
Ani,
Bye.
Puju Ani sheba.
Bye.
Bye bye.
오늘 가슴 갖고 작아지는 예시 등에 놈들과 예시 뒤져 가슴 갖고 진행하다 가게 개발게네 오늘 가슴 갖고 작아지는 예시 등에 놈들과 예시